Quality Christmas lights matter, and that's why so many people choose our Kringle Traditions products for their holiday lighting needs every year. We offer hundreds of Christmas lighting products that include things like classic incandescent mini lights, icicle lights, net lights, and C7, C9 bulbs and light sets, which are all indoor-outdoor rated and designed to look good no matter where you use them. Our lights come in multiple colors, lengths, and styles, so you're sure to find something that's a good fit for your next decorating project. If you're decorating Christmas trees, garlands, and wreaths, you can't go wrong with our classic mini string lights. For those looking to add more festive flair to roof lines and fences, our icicle lights are wildly popular. And to make your bushes and trees look better, we offer a variety of easy-to-use incandescent net lights, trunk lights, and column lights. If you're looking for bigger lights, we also offer a full line of incandescent C7 and C9 bulbs and light sets that are perfect for iconic roofline and pathway lighting. People choose our Kringle Traditions lights year after year for a good reason. Our light sets are certified for safety. They are indoor-outdoor rated and are designed so that if a bulb does happen to go out, the rest of the lights stay lit. They offer great quality at an affordable price. If you want quality incandescent Christmas lights that are affordable, reliable, and beautiful, these Kringle Tradition lights are the choice for you.